Crunch exercise benefits. 1. Core strength. Crunches primarily target the abdominal muscles, including the rectus abdominis, six-pack muscles, and the obliques. Strengthening these muscles helps improve overall core strength, which is essential for stability and proper posture. 2. Defined abdominals. Regularly performing crunches can help define and sculpt your abdominal muscles, leading to a more toned appearance. Combined with a balanced diet and overall fitness regimen, crunches can contribute to achieving visible abdominal definition. 3. Improved posture. Strong abdominal muscles play a crucial role in maintaining good posture. By strengthening your core through crunch exercises, you can reduce strain on your lower back and improve spinal alignment, which supports better posture both during exercise and in daily activities. 4. Enhanced athletic performance. A strong core is fundamental for many athletic movements, including running, jumping, and lifting. By incorporating crunches into your workout routine, you can enhance your athletic performance by improving core stability and power transfer from the upper to the lower body. 5. Injury prevention. Weak abdominal muscles can contribute to various injuries, particularly lower back pain. By strengthening the core muscles with crunch exercises, you can help prevent injuries by providing better support and stability to the spine and surrounding muscles. 6. Versatility. Crunches can be performed in various ways, allowing you to target different parts of the abdominals. Modifications such as reverse crunches, bicycle crunches, or side crunches can engage different muscle groups within the core, providing a well-rounded abdominal workout. 7. Convenience and accessibility. Crunch exercises require minimal equipment and space, making them convenient to perform at home or in a gym setting. They can be easily incorporated into a workout routine and serve as an effective way to strengthen and tone the abdominal muscles without needing specialized equipment. 8. Mental benefits. Engaging in regular exercise, including crunches, can have positive effects on mental well-being. Physical activity stimulates the release of endorphins, which are hormones that help reduce stress and improve mood. A consistent exercise routine that includes crunches can contribute to overall mental health and well-being. Incorporating crunch exercises into your fitness regimen, along with a balanced diet and adequate rest, can lead to stronger abdominal muscles, improved posture, and enhanced overall physical fitness. As with any exercise, it's essential to perform crunches with proper form to maximize benefits and minimize the risk of injury. 9. Increased flexibility. Performing crunches can help improve flexibility in the spine and surrounding muscles. This increased flexibility contributes to better range of motion during physical activities and reduces the risk of muscle strain or injury. 10. Better balance and stability. Strong abdominal muscles contribute significantly to overall balance and stability. By strengthening your core through crunch exercises, you can enhance your ability to maintain equilibrium and control your body's movements in various positions and activities. 11. Functional strength. Core strength developed from crunch exercises translates into better functional strength for everyday activities. Tasks such as lifting objects, bending, twisting, and even sitting or standing for extended periods become easier and less taxing on the body. 12. Enhanced breathing efficiency. Strong abdominal muscles support better respiratory function by assisting in the movement of the diaphragm and rib cage during breathing. Improved breathing efficiency can enhance endurance during cardiovascular exercises and other physical activities.